The Speaker of National Assembly, Jacob Mdenda, blocked debate in the lower house of Assembly on President Emmerson Mnangagwa's criticism of Zambia and Malawi's relations with the Western countries during a meeting with the Russian leader Putin. Sabina mashoko apatuna Jacob Mdenda aiwa anojamuka anoramba kuti aiwa nhau ya idi Mnangagwa yekunotaura pamusoro peZambia aiwa kuRussia imire kutaugwa muParliament. Don't forget subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Uchipina mnamunyu kwa mchinzi, Triple MP Gladys Latiwayo attempted to raise the issue in Parliament on a point of national interest, emphasizing the importance of avoiding statements that could destabilize relations with the neighboring countries. However, Mdenda, a ZANU-PF Politburo member, interrupted and redirected the discussion, saying that foreign affairs are solely the domain of the executive branch. Sasi Mdenda, via Newsday. Santa Mashkokuti, Honorable Latiwayo, the area of foreign affairs in terms of bilateral and or regional relations is a matter for the executive to deal with at all times. I was saying this is a no-go area where you have issues that relate to bilateral or multilateral relations between or among states. Those are dealt with at level of executive. So the chief of diplomacy of either country, the point of order with its good intentions, I think is misplaced. Do mashukwanto kwa Jacob Mdenda aiwa dismiss this discussion mu Parliament achiti aiwa MP Latiwayo now aitikwanisi kuidiscussa achiti aiwa the foreign affairs are solely the domain of the executive branch achiti ndo vanhu kwasa kudiscussa now sachibotudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko chakadai aiwa pinai comment section medu mutudze mafungiro enyu, so no subscribe kulike, so turn on the bell icon.